Today we'll be learning the airport management. So what are the things are there? How the airports are managed? Let's see. So talking about airline and airport management administration, it includes various activity. It may include the strategic thing and it may have information thing. It may use commercial and operational priorities. It is a branch of study. It is a teaches management of airlines and airports. So it is covered in every part of it. So that makes things easier to run there. So it is a strategy. So every step has a strategy. Even the landing, even the taking of booking, also even the terminal area planning, also everything has strategy in that and information. So customer information can be highly prioritized, which are used for commercial purposes, so which you see, and it is a branch of study. So where you can see how we can manage all the things at the same time. So because it is not one hub where everything runs, it is a various multiple things. It has various airlines. You can take n number of airlines coming and getting off and taking their passengers and carrying it on. So it needs to be controlled in a management skill will be improved by the airport management. So the operations which is managed in the airport are landside operations, airside, billing and and information management. So these are the four airport management activities where you can see in the airport. In that airside operation, so in the airside what all the comes is the airfield, that is the landing area, the ramps are the equipment which is used for the getting things easier, the stairs, tractors, filling area, the safety and security, that is something. So in airside, one thing is planning of the aircraft parking and how we can maintain and control the runway and taxiway infection, then policing the things and vehicle escort for the company. So VIPs will be escorting. So day-to-day management of wildlife to reduce the risk of bird interference. So it should be that because the birds which is flying in there, some birds are exotic and they are traveling in a seasonal manner. So your plan should be accurate in order to save the life. Next thing is landside operations. So landside operations is all about terminal building, your baggage carrying, roadways, and the parking decks, the ticketing checks, everything will come under landside operation. Next thing is billing and invoicing, where the greatest revenue is earned in aeronautical industry. So maintaining the account and contact information is very important because the billing of flights, their invoices, handling of cashes, and also in the digital manner, the sale of things there, point of sale, staff payrolls, etc. So everything is to be maintained under one single portal and also the software. So that is thing. So it is a good thing because everything comes under one thing, that is in one umbrella where you can access everything, taking like your Chrome where you can get access to information in a one single website. So this is thing. So they are using the Opera, maybe the WebOS, maybe the softwares which are making it possible is great because every department will have the same software but different criteria. So take example, your billing will have only the billing part, while you are on the point of sale will have other things will be included. So it will be merged and updated. That's one thing because the flight number or the your booking number will be considered as your unique ID and where you can access the information what are you things are taken. Next thing is information management. So In airport, lots of customers information are collected because of the day-to-day flights and the people, and how they store and retrieve the information also makes it the most, because track of the connection with airline. So it is easier for every airline where you can track your regular customer and provide them something good, something beneficiary for them. So making tracking down is good, but overwhelming using of the things which are not appropriate is very difficult, where you have to depend on things. And the departure and organization of the flight schedule, so you have to maintain the chart where arrival, departure, and which of the airlines are standing on night, which will be taking off earlier, which will be on the later on night, and what is the weather condition, what all the plans can be done. Everything should be managed in information management, and it should be updated to the web portal along with the airport authorities. So this is what all the things is. Next thing includes advantages. So advantages is you can, like, aircraft scheduling can be done, maintenance can be done in there, complaint services are there, and you can get insurance discounts, you can get pilot training, fuel purchase, aircraft record keeping, and safety management system. So these are the some of the key points, but as I told you in the previous, those 4 points are important, and those are the things are needed. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.